Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you N26 Review Best Online Bank. So let's get started. So in this video, we will be discussing the features, the pros and cons, and then the pricing of N26. In that way, you would be able to judge if it's really the best online bank. So now let's head over to the features. So N26 boasts a range of features designed to cater to the needs of digital savvy users. So the first one is the instant notification. So every time you make a transaction, you'll receive an instant notification on your phone, keeping you updated in real time. And then number two would be the spaces. So there are sub accounts that help you manage your money better by allowing you to set aside funds for specific goals like a vacation or a new gadget. And number three is that they have a fee-free ATM withdrawal. So depending on your plan, you can enjoy a certain number of fee-free withdrawals per month. And then number four would be the real-time exchange rate. So N26 uses real-time exchange rates for international transactions, making it a great option for travelers. And then number five is budgeting tools. So this app provides insightful budgeting tools to help you track your spending and stay within your budget. Number six would be the security features. So N26 offers top-notch security, including biometric login, 3D Secure, and the ability to lock and unlock your card directly from the app. And now let's go for the pros of N26. Number one is its user-friendly app. So N26 app is intuitive and easy to use, making banking hassle-free. And then number two would be its transparent fees. So N26 is transparent about its fees with no hidden charges or surprises. And then number three is its international usability. So with real-time exchange rates and fee-free foreign transactions, N26 is perfect for frequent travelers. And then number four is its innovative features. So features like spaces and instant notifications help you manage your finances more effectively. And number five would be its security. So N26 robust security measures ensure your money is safe and always safe. And then now for the cons of N26 would be the number one that I can think of would be its limited physical presence, because as an online bank, N26 lacks physical branches, which might be a drawback for those who prefer in-person banking. And number two would be its customer support. So based on my experience, while N26 offers dedicated support for higher tier plans, some users have reported delays and difficulties in reaching the customer service. And then number three would be the cash deposit. So when you are depositing cash into your N26 account, it can be troublesome as it requires using partner location or other banks. So now let's head over to the plans and pricing of N26. So you have your cards right here and their prices, and then you'll be able to see the features below right here on what you will get for each card that you would choose. So the first one would be the N26 standard right here. So this is basically the free tier, which includes a basic account with essential features like instant notifications and spaces. And next is we have N26 Smart. So this is you would get additional benefits such as 5 free ATM withdrawals per month, dedicated customer support, and exclusive partner deals. And then the N26U is basically the plan that would add travel insurance, higher withdrawal limits, and more spaces for better budgeting. And then the next thing is the N26 Metal. So this is where you can get all the features of N26U plus a metal card, phone insurance, and priority customer support. And you can view more of the detailed features right here below. And yeah, so that is basically it on the N26 app. So now in conclusion, so N26 is the best online bank in 2024 Well, that will still remain a question depending on your needs. So N26 excels with its innovative features, user-friendly app, and transparent fees, making it a top choice for digital savvy users and frequent travelers. However, for those who prefer traditional banking services, might need to consider other options. Overall, N26 is a strong contender in the online banking space, continually evolving to meet its user needs. So in my opinion, based on using N26, it's still not the best one for me. It might have the potential to be the best if you are a frequent traveler, because you would need mobile banking instead of personal banking. So yeah, it would really be a top choice for digital savvy users. So that is basically it on this video on review of N26 banking. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.